Are you tired of the hassle that comes with managing and updating all your schema across multiple sites and pages? Mistakes in schema can be detrimental to your search engine ranking, which is why you need UPSCHEMA. With UPSCHEMA, you can create clean schema without any coding knowledge and push it directly from our user-friendly dashboard. Keep all your markup in one place, whether it's article schema, local business schema, or individual person schema. But that's not all. UPSCHEMA also allows you to create powerful iframes or image embeds. Take your SEO game to the next level with UpTools, a tool that lets you create powerful, linkable iframe stacks. Our team has a proven track record in local SEO, national SEO, and affiliate marketing, and we're now bringing our in-house success tools to select a few online marketers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to give your website and online presence a boost. Join the UPSCHEMA and UpTools community today and take control of your Google business profiles, cloud HTML sites, stacks, and any other entity you may have. Start your journey towards success with UPSCHEMA and UpTools.